Good day, my dear friends, and happy remembrance to all the beautiful and the wonderful people of Canada, the land of the strong and the free. The Beatitudes are not merely words of comfort, they are the heartbeat of the gospel, a divine invitation to live with courage, mercy, and love even in the face of a suffering. On this Remembrance Day, these sacred words take on deeper meaning as we honor the brave men and women who embodied them through their sacrifice. They were the poor in spirit who relied not on power but on purpose. They were those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, believing that peace and justice were worth dying for. They were the peacemakers whose courage built bridges over battlefields and whose memory still calls us to unity. Their lives, though marked by pain and loss, reflect the very promises Christ proclaimed on the mountain that those who suffer for righteousness will find the reward in heaven. And today, as we remember them with bowed heads and grateful hearts, we are also challenged to live their legacy. The Beatitudes of the brave call each of us to become peacemakers in our own small ways, to forgive, to serve, to stand for truth, and to love even when it costs us something. Their heroism teaches us that faith is not passive. It is a living hope that dares to act for the good of others. In honoring the fallen, we are reminded that every act of peace begins with a heart that believes in God's promise. Let this Remembrance Day renew in us the courage to live the Beatitudes, not just in words, but in the brave choices we make for love, for justice, and for faith. On this Remembrance Day, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, we honor those who through their sacrifice reflected God's call to love, courage, and selfless service. Their lives reminds us that true freedom is a gift sustained by justice, mercy, and a willing offering of oneself for the good of others, echoing Christ's own sacrifice for the world. And happy celebration of the Remembrance Day to all of you, my dear friends, brothers and sisters, here in the land of the strong and free. And that is Canada. Eternal rest grant to the souls of our faithful departed, O Lord, and let your perpetual light shine upon them. May they rest in peace. Amen.